Are you looking for an easy way to automatically send SMS confirmation messages after a customer fills out your site's forms? The solution to that is a lot closer than you might think. I'm Daisy with WPForms, and today I'm excited to announce our brand new Twilio add-on. The new Twilio add-on allows you to send notifications to your customers via SMS or WhatsApp after they've filled out and submitted a form on your site. Once inside the form builder, you can choose what kind of message you'd like to send and which Twilio phone number you'd like to send this message from. From there, you can choose to send this message to either the phone number a user enters in your form's phone field or any verified phone numbers you've added to Twilio. In the message box, you can write a custom message that will be sent to your customers and use smart tags to add any submitted form data you'd like to include. If you're sending a WhatsApp message, you can select from any of the message templates you've already created in Twilio. With this new add-on, you can now easily send SMS or WhatsApp messages to your customers without having to deal with any third-party integrations or a hefty price tag. I'm Daisy with WPForms. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.